Take two.
Alright guys, okay. This is Jonathan, Mr. Hyper, and this is Ethan, and he's quite hyper too. And so we're going to be singing Once Upon a Dream from Jekyll and Hyde the musical. And so let's see how this goes. Okay, Jonathan, you first. Okay. Okay guys, settle down, okay? Good job, guys.
Let's do a blooper one.
No!